Hey guys, so I am filming my most highly requested video I've ever had. I've been requested multiple times to do an eyebrow tutorial, so this is it. What I do to my brows is not extravagant. It takes a lot of time because I have a lot of brow hair. My brows start like up here and then go down here. They're very, very thick. So this is a really highly requested video, and I don't really have much else to say about it. I'll be doing a voiceover. I hope you guys really enjoy. Bye! Hey guys, so I'm doing an eyebrow tutorial as I mentioned in the beginning. First thing I do is I sketch out my brow exactly the way I want it. I always do this step because I want to ensure that I'm not taking out a single hair that shouldn't be taken out, because when I tell you it's noticeable, it's definitely noticeable. So right now I'm just going back and forth from each brow, making sure they're both even, and then I would move on to the next step. I'll put the product that I use down below as well too. Now for the next step, this is when I trim the hair. So I brush everything up and then I trim on a completely flat scissor line, a completely flat line with scissors. I make sure to do my ends as well too, my tail, because I do enjoy a thinner tail. So I'm doing that on both sides, and I know that you might see that little glitch in my left eyebrow, but it's your guys' right. In the tail, there's a little glitch there. It's like a curve in the tail of my brow that shouldn't be there on the inside. I'm not sure if you can see that, but I do fix that later in the video. I don't know if you can even see it. I'm just extremely particular about my eyebrows. I've gone through many brow phases, and anybody who has been following me for a while knows how messy it can get when it comes to my eyebrows. So this is where I'm going in and tweezing. This is very simple. It's just tweezing the hair you don't want. This is why I sketch it out in the beginning, because I want to make sure that I'm not tweezing more than I should. Please remember, you pluck a chicken, you tweeze your eyebrows. Next, you'll see me go in with a razor. I don't want you to be frightened by this. This is because I have a lot of hair that connects my hairline to my eyebrow for some reason. Like I said in the beginning, my eyebrows grow extremely thick. So there's like dark peach fuzz from my eyebrow to my hairline on the side there, and I don't like that. And then I have a lot of hair up at the top that takes a while to tweeze, so I just prefer to use the razor. Now I'm just thinning out the very end of the tail because, as I mentioned, I do like a thin eyebrow tail. And then you'll see coming up soon, I think it is where I fixed that little piece on my left eyebrow. I need to tweeze more out of that one. And that's what, see, do you see it right there? And that's when a bitch spotted it. You know, she getting mad at that little piece now, so she gonna go ham on it. But don't go too ham because shit can definitely hit the fan. Right here is when I doth thin out the tail of my bristle. That's me fixing the part that I'm talking about. Do you see how the ends match up more now? Because the one was a bit thicker. Anyway, I don't know if you noticed it, but I noticed it. So, that's pretty much it for my video, guys. Whenever I'm doing makeup, I always cut my eyebrow with concealer. I just prefer that because it gives more of a finished look. But on an everyday basis, I don't even put anything in my eyebrows. I just wear them naturally because I don't wear makeup every day. And you could see that in the final photo that I'll provide. You could see a final version of my eyebrows with nothing on them. I hope you guys have a really great day. Bye-bye.